Next, affinity for hydrogen. The affinity for hydrogen, the chlorine is more affinity, attract the hydrogen towards itself. Let me see about this chemical property. When burnt with a turpentine, it forms a carbon and hydrochloric acid. What is the formula for turpentine? C10H16 plus chlorine Cl2. What will happen? Hydrogen, chlorine is high affinity to hydrogen. Okay, so it forms HCl, and here only a carbon is there. How many carbon here? 10 carbon. Then Cl2H16. So we have to balance this. So I put here 8, therefore these are 16. So what will happen? 16 HCl. The equation is balanced. It forms a dioxygen when reacting with water. That is, a chlorine reacts with water. It forms a dioxygen plus 4HCl. Because the chlorine is high affinity towards hydrogen, therefore the oxygen is not like a 1. It always be a O2. So dioxygen. Next, chlorine reacts with ammonia to give the ammonium chloride and other products. Let me see about what happened when chlorine reacts with ammonia. If chlorine reacts with ammonia, we just see the two examples. With excess ammonia, what will happen? The ammonia NH3 plus 3Cl2 gives nitrogen plus HCl, because the affinity of hydrogen HCl and then nitrogen gas. Next, if this HCl is react with some more excess of ammonia, what will happen? Ammonium chloride is prepared. So we write the overall reaction. First of all, we balance the equation. I just put the number, you just check it on practicing it. Okay. Yeah, yes, okay. Now I balance the equations. Here 6 ammonia, here 2. Totally 8 NH3 plus 3Cl2. Okay. You just remember that in opposite side we just cancel it. 6HCl and here 6HCl. So we just cancel it. So what happened? I write that 8NH3, 3Cl2. Then balance is N2 plus 6 ammonium chloride. This is in with excess ammonia. Now we see about the excess chlorine, what will be happen.